Installing a processor heatsink. Attention! If there is any old thermal grease on the processor, gently clean it off using an alcohol cleaning pad. To install the processor and heatsink, align the guide pins on the processor socket with the heatsink and then insert the heatsink into the processor socket. Use a Phillips screwdriver to fully tighten the captive screws in the installation sequence shown on the heatsink label. Important: to prevent damage to the processor, make sure to follow the tightening sequence indicated on the heatsink label. Install all the memory modules. Align the memory module with the slot. Firmly press both ends of the memory module straight down into the slot until the retaining clip snaps into the locked position. Install the intrusion switch with cable on the node. Connect the intrusion switch cable to the connector on the system board. Holding the intrusion switch at an angle, align it with its slot and then insert the intrusion switch. Fasten the screw to secure the intrusion switch to the node. Reinstall the air baffle. Install the top cover onto the node.